So I'm heading back on the train again now. It was like only last week, maybe the week before, I'm losing track of time now, that I was at Maker Central. Well, today I'm heading over to Reading. I'm going to a conference that's been put on by Ryobi, so let's see what it's all about. My intro was a little bit rushed due to filming in public in Wolverhampton, so to give you a bit more info, I was very kindly invited by Ryobi to attend their 2019 conference. They did cover my travel and accommodation for the event, but this isn't a sponsored video. I wasn't under any obligation to produce any content, but you know I like to capture my travels and share what I've been up to with you lot, so I thought I'd bring you along for the couple of days. So this is the room. It's so posh. Well, I mean, anything's posh for me, but bathroom, a little bit small, but it has got a bath, shower, obviously, an actual wardrobe, not fitted. And this is the room. Now that's what you call a bed. Let's have a look at the views like. Now in most hotels you get a car park. Wow. So Ryobi, I'm definitely putting on a show. Look at the views. Stunning. Ryobi very kindly have gifted me these. I was left with this note. Really nice, like I'm not used to anything like this. So we got a battery and charger and a USB adapter as well for like charging your phone and tablet and stuff. Them will come in handy. So I've had a bit of a freshen up, going to be heading down for some pre-dinner drinks now. This will be the best time to meet everybody, just like meet all the other people who do blogs and YouTube and stuff like that, and all the guys at Ryobi as well. Going to be great to see what's actually going on tomorrow. And then of course there's going to be the dinner after the drinks. I will try and get some footage or some pictures, but it's obviously not the done thing to just be filming everything, but at least everybody else here does that kind of thing, so I'll see how it goes. Before the food came out, we got to hear all about the innovations Ryobi are working on and what their focus is for the future.
Romania! Yay! The Germans! Anybody from Austria? There he is, Billy. The rest of the CE region. The UK! We got any other regions, the Italians, the Russians. How could I forget you guys?
It was a great presentation that really kept it interesting and engaging. So it's the next day now. The speech that went on last night, it was great to see all the different things that Ryobi are working on and what they're planning for the future. And the meal, it was amazing. It was a bit posh for me, but it was fantastic. I really enjoyed it. And then we had some drinks after as well, so we all got a bit of a chance to socialise, so that's always good. This morning we're going to be heading outside to the marquees and we're going to be seeing the tools in action, showing them being demonstrated, going to get hands on with them. I believe there's going to be separate workshops for each kind of category, so we'll see how it goes. We were first shown the Ryobi garden range and we got to test out their ride-on mowers. I didn't expect it to have as much power as it did. This definitely goes top of my wish list. I haven't got much of a lawn, but still. Their Ryobi robot lawnmower was fascinating to see in action too. Next up was chainsaws. I'd love to give chainsaw carving a go one day, so this was right up my street.
Yep.
We got to hear about the new battery technology Ryobi have been working on, as well as their range of brushless tools. Getting hands on and comparing against the other brands was really useful for me. It's not often you get a chance to actually compare brands like this. There were lots of head-to-heads going on between brands and also between Ryobi's brushed and brushless tools. I found the craft section really interesting, in particular the new cordless rotary tool. I've got their corded rotary tool and it's a bit cumbersome, so this is going to be a must-have for me. Another must-have is this cordless air compressor. We ended the day with lunch before we all headed off home. I had a great couple of days at the conference. It was brilliant meeting the other creators there, as well as the team who organised it all. Getting to hear all about the future of Ryobi and getting hands-on with the tools and their competitors has been an invaluable insight for me. I hope you've enjoyed following along on my little adventure. I'm hoping to get to more events and get-togethers, so I'll be sure to take you along on those too. Thank you all for watching.